Hey guys, it's Ash here. So basically I am going to be showing you guys my curly hair routine on how I get my curls to be super defined. If you see my previous video with her hair company Brazilian Curly, you see how my curls were popping in that video. So I want to show you guys exactly how I achieved that look. So as you can see here, the hair, I just basically took the wig off. So this is how it looks after about 12 hours. So as you can see, it's still pretty cute and it's still pretty defined. But I want to show you guys exactly how to achieve it if your hair is not like this. You know, if you basically have just regular curly hair. So you're gonna start with a spray bottle. You you're going to need Kinky Curly Knot today. You're going to need Mousse. You're going to need a Denman brush. So this Denman brush is like years old. It doesn't even have the handle, but it does the same thing. 7 rows still attached. And then I just have a regular wide tooth comb. So I have this plain water in here. So basically what I do is I just take some of the Kinky Curly and I put literally 2 squeezes, and it's not a lot, so I don't put a whole lot because you don't want it to be too much product. So I just do 2 squeezes. 1, 2. So I do that and I just mix it with my water. So the water bottle has water in it already. And I basically completely saturate the hair. So I see a lot of people when they have curly hair in their head, they only spray like the top part of their hair. So under here is still kind of puffy, and that's not gonna work. So this might be easier since I already have the wig off. You might want to just run what I do sometimes is I just run the hair just under the water just to get it completely wet. But if you don't have that option, then you just want to, as you can see here, I'm lifting to get in between the wefts to make sure all of the hair is wet. And I'm just going to do that for my whole head, especially in the front, like right here. A lot of the times I miss that part. So once I feel that I've got it nice and wet, I'm going to take my wide tooth comb. Zoom out. So I'm going to take my wide tooth comb. And just kind of comb through just to get all the kinks out from the ringlets, because it is going to be kinks, so you want to get those out of there. So you just want to start from your bottom just like you would with your regular natural hair tie. You know. So as you can see, the curl pattern that it has with no Denman brush is just a regular curly curl pattern. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Denman brush and I'm basically going to brush the hair, but when you brush with the Denman brush, you want to turn the Denman brush against the hair. So kind of like this, in that motion, like that. So when I'm brushing it, I want to turn it like that. So take your hair and turn the brush. Okay, and once you do that, it's going to start giving it a different form. Length of the hair. I also go underneath like that, and I'm turning it. And it's going to gather it, and it's basically going to turn the curls on top of each other. And I like to do it in different, like that. Like that. That's how I do it. Look at that. You see that? You can see that beautiful ringlet that formed right there. Let's do this all over the rest of the hair. Take a towel or a t-shirt. A t-shirt's better. Take it off of here. If you leave it dangling, it's going to give you a different look. But I take all of the hair. Alright, good morning guys. Here is the final result of how the wig looks in the morning after popping it. So I'm just gonna, all I do is just take it off of the head. I need to put some lotion on my hands, but give it a quick little shake. And there it is. Beautiful.